Thinking about starting your own internet radio station but don't know where to begin? I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with TTT Radio Network, the easiest way to launch and manage your own station like a pro. Hey, I'm DNA, the owner of TTT Radio Network. We've helped creators, DJs, and brands from all walks of life get on... What happened? I don't even know. Let's try this again. Hey, I'm DNA, the founder of TTT Radio Network. I'm not the founder. Let's try this again. Hey, I'm DNA, the owner of TTT Radio Network. We've helped creators, DJs, and brands from all walks of life get online and broadcast their voice to the world without needing to be tech experts. So why internet radio? For me, it's the freedom from these mainstream platforms. You get total control of your content and a real opportunity to build your own audience and brand. Why TTT Radio Network versus others? All internet radio platforms that host internet radio stations, we all have the same features. But where we stand out is our community and support. You get real human help if you need support. And we have a Facebook fan group or Facebook fan page or group where you can just get connected with our community. We have custom packages, which makes pricing flexible. We're gonna keep it going. I also am making these tutorials so you can navigate our platform. At TTT Radio Network, you're not just another customer. We build with you. You get tools, support, and a community that actually cares about your station's success. In these next videos that I'm gonna be making, you're gonna learn how to set up a station in minutes, upload shows and playlists, going live and scheduling content, and tracking listeners while growing your audience. One of our hosts went from no experience to over 10,000 monthly listeners using just their laptop in our platform. If you're serious about starting your station and you want a platform that is built by broadcasters for broadcasters, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. You can also contact us at tttradionetwork.com to start building your station in less than 15 minutes. The next video I make is gonna show you how to add a DJ, I think, and go live for the first time. So I'll see you there.